Good evening, everybody. As you can see, it's Kingkurri, 420 feedback. Party on. Monday, May 2nd today. We're doing SP Authentic. It's a pretty short list today. See your name, see what you got. This is the box we're opening tonight. All sealed up. Ready to party. 10-12, that's the last four numbers. And here we go. Alright, last time I opened the first pack it was Padre. Let's see what we got here today. All base cards. As you know, in my head there, I'm not shipping any base cards anymore. I'm donating them to the Stollery Children's Hospital here in the Boys and Girls Club in Edmonton. That's why it's all free shipping. Just all the numbered cards and all the goodies will be shipped out free of charge.
Wow, you were so fast.
And all base again. This is a fatty, that's why I put it to the side. Party with her later. Base, 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 base. On the Boys and Girls Club, and they were pretty excited about that, so I hope everyone doesn't mind the way I'm doing things now. It's just only on the 24 card packs. Base, base. We got a Future Watch, John Samuto. 161 out of 999. Base, base. Base, 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 base. Something in here. Got base, base for the Philadelphia Flyers. Eric Wellwood, 579 out of 999. Base. Got Wayne Gretzky, Los Angeles Kings.
Boo, should be an Oilers jersey.
Should be in an Oilers jersey. Not numbered. Nice card anyways. Base. Base, 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 base. If anyone does want their base cards, it will be $2 per 3 teams. So every 3 teams that you have and you want them, it costs you $2 per every 3 teams. Fatty. Base, base, base. We got Sidney Crosby, 260 out of 1999. And base. Something back there. Base, base. Got Jared Cowan of Ottawa Senators, 579 out of 999. Base, base. Got base, base, base. Eric Stahl, 1365 out of 1999. Base. Still waiting to pull one of those 3 or 4 card autographs. Nothing. Base, base, base. Base, base. We got Guy Lafleur and the Montreal Canadiens. 28 out of 1999. Base, base. Another fatty. Base, base. We got Jess Giguere, 1608 out of 1999. Base, base. Base, 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 base. Base, base, base. Daniel Alfredson of the Ottawa Senators, Hollow FX. Base. Base, 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 base. Fatty. Party with them for in a second. Base, 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 base. And last spinner. Base, 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 base. Okay. These off the side. Get these 4 fatties. There should be more. Another autograph in here somewhere. Not in this one. Base, base, base. Blank. Base, base. Base, base, base. Blank, like my ex-girlfriend. Base, base. Base, base, base. Another blank. Base, base. So I'm presuming that this is the autograph. Bum, bum, bum.
Bum, bum, bum.
See that, boys and girls? We saved the best fatty for last. She put out this time.
Yep.
Throw base, base. 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 Number 35, so you know it's not Taylor Hall. We have Sergei Bobrovsky from the Philadelphia Flyers. Number 27 out of 100.
Right.
Single color. Regardless, it is Future Watch patch. So congratulations
I already know that.
to the Gazelle.
Can I get a jersey?
1970. Who's got it?
So he had to be
Alright, everybody.
orange.
That's it for tonight. Hit another Future Watch. Another Future Watch. This is Philadelphia box tonight. Well, if you're watching this and you got to outbid on some of your auctions tonight, I do have some buy it nows up there if you're interested in that. This is Kingkurri. Over and out. These will be shipped out ASAP.
Bang, bang.